A record over 6.81 lakh rupees crore allocated in Union Budget 2025-26 for MoD, an increase of 9.53% from current financial year. 1.80 lakh rupees crore allocated under Capital Budget of Armed Forces, modernization a key focus area. 1.12 lakh rupees crore earmarked for procurement from domestic industries. 14% increase in allocation for defense pension, 8,317 crore rupees allocated for ECHS. 12% hike for defense R&D budget. Significant jump of 43% in capital budget of ICG, 7,146 crore rupees allocated to BRO under capital head. Union Budget is a step towards fulfilling the Prime Minister's resolve of Viksit Bharat by 2047, Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh. In pursuance of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi-led government's vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047, with technologically advanced and Atmanirbhar Armed Forces, Union Budget of India has made a provision of Rs 681,210.27 crore for financial year 2025-26 for the Ministry of Defence, MoD. This allocation is 9.53% more than the budgetary estimate of 2024-25 and stands at 13.45% of Union Budget, which is highest among the ministries. Out of this, 1 rupee, 80,000 crore i.e. 26.43% of total allocation will be spent on capital outlay on defence services. On revenue head, allocation for the armed forces stands at 311,732 rupees and 30 paise crore, which is 45.76% of total allocation. Defense pension receives a share of 1 rupee, 60,795 crore i.e. 23.60% and balance 28,682.97 crore rupees i.e. 4.21% is for civil organizations under MoD. The ministry has taken a decision to observe 2025-26 as Year of Reforms, which will further strengthen the resolve of the government for modernization of armed forces. Addressing the media, Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh congratulated Finance Minister SMT Nirmala Sitharaman for presenting a budget towards fulfilling the Prime Minister's resolve of Viksit Bharat. This budget will promote the development of youth, poor, farmers, women and all other sections of society. Recognizing the contribution of the middle class, the budget has brought an unprecedented gift, he said.